Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? This is a makeup for yesterday's non-video, which I do apologize for. The lighting was just, it was dark and crap, so I couldn't upload that. Because two things people want, when they see a video. They want to be able to hear and they want to be able to see the damn thing. And I'm looking at how dark it was and I was just, ugh. So I got my lamp out behind me. I'm just gonna put everything in one video because I teased this was a new knife that I teased, but I also teased another one, or I showed two others. So I'm just gonna throw them all in one video. Again, with my apologies. All these knives were purchased because my buddy Anchor 440, good dude, but he's an enabler. Lives down in Utah. He keeps sending me links. Hey, check this out. I'm like, oh, that's cheap. You know, I end up buying it. So, thanks, bro. I would go visit, but he lives in Utah and it's a bit drive. So anyway, let's get to it. It's already been a minute. Having some weird camera angle issues here. So this is just a tray table. I'm at home. It's actually Friday night. I'm doing this. I just locked in the door. I put away my food, and I'm doing this video. So. I'll show you the two folders. Now this is a Maxpedition Fatty. I actually went over all the contents. I got a Silcock key in here. You probably can see that through the mesh. It's for opening water valves on the side of buildings. Never actually used it, but I carry this in my glove box. I got a just a ink pen, tweezers. The first knife I wanted to show you. This little guy here is a I may have to invest my next Google payment in voice lessons. This is a cold steel little pocket knife that I picked up. This was 99 cents. Come on, lighting. So this was this was $1. It was like it was like a welcome deal, and I was actually going to order a couple of these and then do like a little, hey, guess the price and I'll send you one. But they wouldn't let me order two. So you can see how small it is. I have large hands, but that's why I moved it into here, because I figured, well, if anything, if I need a knife and I don't have access to my EDC for some reason, like my pants have blown off in a tornado, which we don't get in Washington, but you know, stranger things have happened. I have a little blade in here, along with a Sharpie and a Write in the Rain pen, plus my Write in the Rain notebook pad, which I keep in here. And then the other knife I got is actually this Browning stainless steel knife. I just, you know, already took it out of the box, so I can get rid of the box now. Let's move this out of the way, because it's always in the way. So this is just a little pocket knife I picked up, and it's not. It's got thumb studs, but the action on this thing is awful. I mean, it was like $7 for this knife. You know, it's got a nice pocket clip. You know, got the little groove in there you can probably see, so you know, lightens it. Seatbelt cutter, which is why I went in the car bag, and then a window breaker, which is why it's also in the bag with my car, because I don't think any of my other folding knives have a window breaker. So I might have to include maybe a pair of goggles in the car. Wouldn't be a bad idea, just for the shards of glass. Although it's not like I drive around bodies of water. But I might come up on an accident. There might be somebody trapped in their car, and you know, of course, all our car windows are electric now. So if they're unconscious and I can't get the car open, I can maybe break the window. So for somebody else, then I can cut their seatbelt off, hopefully get them out of the car till paramedics get here. And I was saying that the action on this, it's a non-locking blade. It's not a bad knife. I mean, it's pretty big for my hand. It's kind of hefty too. I forget the weight, but you know, I'm not going to be carrying it in person. So, I mean, I'm sure I could loosen this screw and make some adjustments to get the. But you know, is it really that important to be able to flip it open? And as long as I can open it, it'll stay sharp, because I'll probably not use it that much. Like I said, I rarely ever get into this bag anyway. But I got that. I figured I got that in there. I always EDC a flashlight, so I have a light. I need to include I need to get new power cables for my phone. Because I upgraded my phone, but I haven't upgraded this bag yet. Got a lighter in here, an adapter in here. This is actually an empty Altoids. I don't have anything in there right now. Nail clippers. I've also got a pair in the car because a hangnail can just drive me absolutely up the wall. So it's nice to be able to take care of it. And just back here, I just have some band-aids just in case. I don't really have a car first aid kit, although now that I've just said it, maybe I should think about doing one. So pretty simple carry. You know, I'm a simple guy. I kind of just keep it simple. You know, the KISS philosophy. And yeah, well, I also don't want to put too much in there because if someone breaks the window and goes through the glove box, you're just going to take the whole thing. So, you know, the more I spend on this, the more I could get stolen, which is a concern. I mean, we've had car thefts. I mean, hell, my truck has been broken into twice. 2 times. So I got those 2 knives, and I got this guy. This is the SE4. Now this is not my first SE knife. In fact, I'll show you the other 2. So my EDC carabiner, which is this, has the SE Azula on it. Just a great little knife. I think it needs to be touched up, so I'll have to work on that. And then I got this big sucker, the SE Hungless, which I rarely use, but you know, it's seen some use. You can tell by the wear. You know, I have had it out. I just don't take it out all that often. Maybe I should work on bringing it out more. Just a really good big chopping blade. So I don't have any reviews on my channel, but I feel like there's enough info out there on it. That's the SE Hungless, not Jungless, Hungless. It's a sweet blade though, really. Set that aside for a momento. Get to the meat and potatoes, which is the SE4. Now, I forgot to mention, so with this knife, this will show you the blade. There you go. Pretty sweet. This blade and these 2 knives all together, this whole package here, nothing else, cost me $40. This was $30 on AliExpress. The only downside I found with AliExpress is, maybe it's just because I'm spoiled with shipping. It took like 3 weeks for me to get it. And then actually took 3 weeks for all of these to get here. What was I going to say? Yeah, $30. This was 99 cents. And then this was like $7. And then it was all free shipping. So I waited to 3 weeks. And every time it moved more than 5 feet, they sent me an email. So I got bombed with emails from them. But, you know, it is what it is. I don't mind the handle color. I'm guessing they made a big batch of these for AliExpress for some kind of deal. And they could sell them for that cheap. But that's like an SE4. And it's only $30? Dude. So those are going to go in the car. I don't like this. This is going to come off. I'm going to do it on camera. I just don't like this. First of all, this is that cheap crap cordage. I'd rather put some paracord on there or something better. So that's going in the garbage, actually. Let's get rid of that. And then I'll keep the line lock for something else. But I've got some leather cordage, actually bootlaces. I might do a handle, just do a appearance lanyard on here. Maybe I'll wrap some paracord. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the sheath yet. It's not a tech lock. It's just a clip. But I'm sure I could look up SE sheaths, SE4 sheaths. I bet I could find something in there. I bet I could find accessories. I bet there's pouches that someone has made that will fit through these 2 holes. You could probably build a little fire kit, fishing kit, whatever. I'm sure there's stuff that it doesn't feel like a great retention sometimes, but this is gonna have to see some dirt time because, you know, SE does make some pretty sweet knives. It's got their name all over it, so I can't imagine it being some kind of a knockoff. So these are gonna see some dirt time. I'll link AliExpress website in the description. They got so much stuff on there. They got stoves. I saw 99-cent Trangias. They had welcome deals like this cold steel. I forget what cold steel this was. I can barely even read it. I got my glasses right here. Maybe I can. I'm already running at 4 minutes. I should wrap up before you guys get too bored. Cold steel. This is 2017 knives. It doesn't say what kind of. Designed by Ray Cutlery. Black Sable is what it says. Other than that, I have no idea. This is only my second cold steel knife, so. Anywho. Alright, well, got them back in the case, going out in the glove box tomorrow. This is gonna need some dirt time. Maybe this weekend. Am I zoomed in? Yeah, I guess I was a little bit. This is gonna have to see some dirt time. I might look into some alterations just because I want to. It doesn't come with a ferro rod loop or attachment or anything, but maybe I can find one. Maybe I can do some kind of DIY project with it if you guys have any suggestions. And I will talk to you all later. Have a great weekend. Happy Saturday. We'll catch you in the next one. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. And happy Easter tomorrow. I'm not going to upload a video because it's Easter, so spend it with your family or whatever you want to do. Peace.